Hello, my name is Brown Mills, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. What's up, family? I hope you guys are having a great start to your week. I hope you had a great weekend. I know I ended up taking that second COVID shot, man. It put me down for a little bit, but I'm back. I'm feeling great. Now I am ready to continue traveling internationally. I'm ready to continue creating amazing memories. But just fast forward a little bit, the market is down. The market is, some people think the market is tanking, but I don't think the market is tanking. You know, the market, it's a roller coaster, right? So you have highs and lows, you have your ups and your downs. And one company that has always weathered the storm in a down market is the one and only Altria. Now, Altria is one of my favorite stocks. All right, now this is when I first started investing in long term. This is the stock that I will put 10-15% of my money into. With the continued growth, man, it has been amazing. And so I think I was heavily concentrated in Altria, but after sometime a couple years ago, I started diversifying my retirement account, and I started putting more index funds. So now, where I was 95% Altria, now I'm like maybe 10% Altria, maybe, and 10-12% Altria, and the rest are split up in all index funds, because I believe, index funds are the way to go, especially after you accumulate a good bit of money. But again, my first, big investment has always been in Altria, and this is a tried and true company. I just want to take you a little bit about Altria. It is the holding company for all of these other operating companies. All right, so Altria owns Philip Morris USA. They own U.S. Smokeless Tobacco, which makes the smokeless tobacco. John Middleton, which makes cigars. Helix, Saint Michelle, one of the best wine companies in America. Philip Morris Capital Corporation. They also have they own percentages of InBev, which makes some of your top beers, your Budweisers, etc. Jewel Labs, which makes the e-cigs, and also they recently purchased Kronos Group, the cannabis company in Canada, and so this company is geared towards creating superior branded products for the adult consumer. All right, and they've been great at it. And so when you think about enjoyment or stress, when people are enjoying themselves and in social gatherings or social events, people love to drink some beer. They love to drink a few glasses of wine. They love to fire up the cigars, or they want to have a couple of smokes or something. And also when people are stressed. So when people are stressed, people are reaching for a beer to take the edge off. They're reaching for e-cigarette device or a tobacco product to help relieve some of that stress. All right, so Altria has been well positioned when it comes to providing adults with adult consumer related products. All right, now, Altria really isn't considered a growth stock. It is more of a income producing stock where it pays off almost 6-7% capital dividends on a quarterly basis. Well, yearly basis. So they pay out 6%. Well, 6.79% annually in dividends. So which is a fairly good deal. So dividends are a great way to create some income, or you can reinvest those dividends to help create a faster growth in your positions. All right, now I love reinvesting my dividends. I think I did a video of 1 year I received $15,000 in dividends, and I really didn't need it, and I paid the penalty when it came to tax time. Had to pay all that money back in taxes. So I've learned that if I don't need dividends, I won't be receiving those dividends. All right. But if you would have even jumped in Altria back in November, you would be up almost 39-40%. All right. So again, we did have a down a good a downtrend after hitting a high of 75 back in 2007. So we've been trending down lately, but Altria has made some acquisitions, right? They've had some he've made some great investments in Jewel and Kronos and Helix and building positions in UST. So the company is well positioned for the long term. And again, there may be some growth as we get closer towards legalization, with Cronus, the cannabis company. So there could be a substantial amount of growth there. But as of right now, man, at the end of every quarter, I sit down and I listen to the CEO speak, and we're still profitable. After everything is paid, they're still walking away with $1 billion cash. So great position to do some great things, whether it's making more acquisitions, or reinvesting that money back into the business to drive future growth. All right, but as of right now, when the market is panicking, this is a great opportunity where you could put some money away and you can truly feel comfortable, right? You can feel comfortable about the decisions you make when it comes to investing in Mo long term. Again, I still have a good position in there, and I don't plan on selling anytime soon. I rebalance mine, but as of right now, I'm going to continue holding. And again, listen, add this to your watch list. If you're kind of worried about the position of some of these companies, if they're really taking a spin, they're reversing in their pattern, trending downward. Hey man, Mo is a solid company. This is one of the best companies. This has been, very, very good to me. All right. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to go out there and buy, but I know history shows that whenever the market is in shambles, Altria is one of those companies that's going to maintain and will succeed through turbulent times. All right. Now, I hope this video added some value to you. Now, if it did, hey, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.